In this video, I'll guide you through how to hide elements on mobile Webflow. Whether you're designing a sleek website or ensuring your mobile view is as clean and functional as possible, knowing how to hide elements on mobile can be incredibly useful. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, you'll want to start by heading over to webflow.com. Webflow is a powerful design tool that lets you build responsive websites visually, and knowing how to navigate it is key to crafting the perfect site. Once you're on the website, log into your account if you haven't already. Next, you'll need to select the site you want to work on. After logging in, you'll see a dashboard listing all your projects. Click on the site you'd like to modify. This will bring you to the designer interface where you can make all your customizations. Now it's time to focus on making adjustments for mobile. In the top right corner of the designer, you'll see a series of device icons. These represent different breakpoints for desktop, tablet, and mobile views. Click on the mobile icon to switch to the mobile breakpoint. This is crucial because any changes you make here will only affect how your site looks on mobile devices. Once you're in the mobile view, identify the element on your canvas that you want to hide. Simply click on that element. It could be anything from an image, a text block, or even a button that doesn't translate well in a mobile layout. With your element selected, head over to the right side of the designer where you'll find a panel with various settings. Look for the settings icon. It's usually represented by a little gear or cog wheel. Clicking this will open up the settings for the selected element, offering you a host of options to tweak everything from size to display properties. Within the settings panel, scroll down to find the visibility section. Here you have the option to control whether an element is visible or hidden on different devices. To hide the element on mobile, simply click on the hidden option. This will ensure that the selected element does not appear when your site is viewed on a mobile device. It's a quick way to declutter your mobile layout and focus on the content that matters most to your users. And that's it. You've successfully hidden an element on mobile Webflow. This technique is especially handy when you want to streamline your mobile site and improve load times by removing unnecessary elements. Remember that these changes only affect the mobile view, so your desktop and tablet designs remain intact. I hope you found this guide helpful. Hiding elements on mobile can greatly enhance the user experience by ensuring your site is easy to navigate and visually appealing on smaller screens. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore Webflow's community resources or reach out for more guidance. Thanks for watching and happy designing.